wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Does everybody know what time it is?
It's tool time!
Hi kids, from A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
Tool time special!
Tool time special!
I'm so excited about this one. This is my newest of newest toys.
Yeah, and look how big it is. I can't even see around it. It's as big as we are.
Yeah.
It's the biggest toy set ever.
Exactly.
Whoa.
It's a tool time set on the go because it's a suitcase, and at the same time you'll see I will build it up, and it's my tool bench.
Yeah, it's like a whole workshop and a traveling kit. Like you could take this in your car real easy.
And Olivia, you know what's cool?
What's cool, Noah?
Anything that ever breaks now, I can repair for you.
Oh, yay. Because, I have things that break a lot.
Yeah.
I'm kind of hard on toys.
And then, if you allow me, I'll teach you something, too.
Well, I would love to learn something. Learning stuff is very, very fun.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep,
and I'm pretty sure you're good at this, just as I am.
Yeah, I like tools.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So, I guess I should take it out now, shouldn't I?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, here. You got it?
I got it.
Okay. Wow, there is so much, guys. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of stuff. There's so much stuff. Look at that.
Oh.
I'll hold this. Whoa! Yeah!
That's amazing.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Now you pull that side.
Here, let me help.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
I got it.
Whoa, look at this.
Wow.
Whoa. There's
That's
even
so
a tool
neat.
guy on there.
Yeah. And it says, what does it say on it?
Tool set.
Yep, tool set. That's your tool set.
That's my tool set.
Wow.
Oh, now I really want to open it.
Yeah, we should open it.
I'll put this down.
Yeah. And put it on the side.
Put it on the side. And then maybe it'll open here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yay!
Whoa, yay! Whoa.
What's all of this?
I don't know. Oh, maybe that's stuff to build the tool when it's a tool bench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. It even has stickers.
Yay, it has stickers.
Look, kids,
I
it
love
has stickers.
Yeah. Oh, there are lots of tool stickers, huh?
We'll need our scissors.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need our scissors.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I can't. Oh, this is so exciting.
Yeah, this is I want to see. Let's see. Is there... Oh, yeah.
Look, this is my saw.
And what's this? Oh, this looks like different saw blades for you to use.
Yeah.
Wow. What's that one?
Those are screws.
Ooh, screws. That's nice. So there's got to be a screwdriver somewhere. Oh, wait. Oh, there's little pieces too.
Yeah, little
That's
pieces.
like a little gear.
I guess we'll have to be careful.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
It's so exciting. Should we get our scissors so we can open up all the bits?
Yeah, we should.
Okay. I'm going to go get the scissors.
Okay, please do so. Look, there's a hammer here. And what else is in here? A screwdriver, a saw. Oh, there's a saw, a hammer, and a screwdriver. Oh, I can't wait. This is so exciting. Yeah.
Wow, Noah, you look so happy.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Here, scissors.
Okay.
Yep, here you go.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Should I hold one of the bags up so that you can open it?
Sure. Why don't I first build the tool bench together, and then maybe you can help me unpack all of the things.
That's a good idea.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, kids.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, we'll be right back. We're gonna go build.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, are you ready, Olivia?
I am so ready.
Okay, I'm gonna put together the tool bench, and how
Okay.
about you open up all of the tools and start organizing that?
Yep, I will.
Okay.
Okay.
So this pops up, and this we turn around, just like this. You know, you have scissors.
It's just a little bit of tape. Ooh. Look, this is a buzzsaw.
That goes up there. And then I'll need this to put that there. And then maybe you can help me.
Okay.
Can you pull it? Okay.
There we
and
go.
Then one more time.
One more time.
Yep. Watch out, it's gonna come.
Pull. Hard. It's supposed to come all the way out?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. And then you just put this right in there.
All right, and we have some gears and a wrench and a hammer. There's lots of great tools in here.
Huh?
Ooh!
Pretty good, huh?
Wow, that's really, really good. Oh, we got wrenches, screws, and tweezers. Oh, I'm gonna put this together. Yeah. And then Phillips. Oh yeah, and lots of little bolts. Wow, that looks great.
Doesn't it?
And I'm hooking the bolts together. And wow. And there's a little yellow part. Do you need a yellow part? Oh yeah, the yellow part goes in the middle. Oh, and you can put a sticker on it later.
I'm gonna turn this around.
Okay. Nice. Great. And can I put the little yellow part in the middle?
I don't think it goes there yet.
Yeah. It goes there though.
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Not yet. Let me finish this.
Okay. Whoa, that's so cool. That's awesome.
So Olivia, do you like my new tool set?
Yeah, I really like it. It's awesome. You did a really good job building it, Noah.
Yeah, I love it. It's awesome.
It's so great.
I can't wait to play with it.
Yeah, this will be lots of fun.
But maybe we should show the kids what type of tools we have.
Yeah, let's do it.
So next time we can play with it.
Yep.
Okay, so I have this is a screwdriver. Can you tell me which kind this is? Here, I'll show you.
That's a flathead.
That is correct.
Yay!
Flathead. And why is it called flathead? Is because it has a flat side to it, right?
Yep.
Yep, okay. And then I also have this screwdriver.
Ooh, yeah.
Yep.
That one is a Phillips.
Phillips. Do you know why it's called Phillips?
Because it's got the star.
It's named after Phillips.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, I did not know that. No.
Yeah, I don't know that either, but let's just make that up.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, and then I also have, this is one of my favorite tools. Oh, do you know what this is?
Yeah, do you?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
It's a wrench.
Ooh, very nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what tools do you have over there?
I have, let's see. I have, ooh, this one's a dangerous one.
Yeah, you gotta be
Yeah,
careful. Don't hurt yourself on that one.
Careful. This one's, what is it? Do you know?
It's a saw.
Yeah, that one's a saw.
It cuts wood.
It does. And then I have this one. This one is a
Hammer. Yeah.
Yay!
You can hammer nails it into whatever you want to.
And I have a
Screwing nut.
yeah. See, the bottom is like the spiral, so you can screw it in.
Yep, and we have a bunch of them on this side as well as
And
on
this
your
side
side.
over here.
And you'll use
Hold on, the screwdrivers fell down. Yeah, no problem.
You use a different screwdrivers, right? For each of them, depending on if they have a cross or if they just have a line.
Yep, so Phillips is cross and mine is flathead.
Exactly.
Yep.
And then in the middle, here's my favorite. You see?
Yeah. And when you, and it spins, yay!
Pretty cool, huh?
That's really cool.
And then over here, we have gears that spin too. See?
Whoop.
You see them spinning?
Yeah, they spin really, really good.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So, and then there are buttons all the way up front here that we can press. Boop, boop.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know those were buttons.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's really cool.
So-
Let me see if I can push the other button. No, I can't. I can't reach it from here.
Okay, so I'm ready to play with it. So
Me too.
why don't you grab all the stuff that you have that need to be repaired?
Okay.
And then I'll get ready in my handy tool outfit.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you guys next time, kids.
Okay, bye kids.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!